I'm Tim Denley, KPMG's Global Chief Technology Officer. Today I'm excited to share how KPMG is driving transformation at scale for ourselves and for KPMG firms' clients with AI and with KPMG Workbench at the heart of our strategy. At KPMG, we're not just talking about AI transformation, we're living it. Workbench is the foundation of our own global operations, empowering over 275,000 professionals to help deliver faster, smarter, and more trusted services and solutions every day. By leveraging Agentic AI, we've turned complex manual workflows, like creating client case studies, into streamlined, auditable, and reusable processes. The results? Greater speed, consistency, compliance, and knowledge sharing across our entire network. KPMG Workbench is an open, multi-agent AI platform designed to transform client delivery and enhance the way we work across our global organisation. The solution is interoperable by design, enabling agent coordination across engagements and internal workflows, so innovation can scale without sacrificing oversight. KPMG Workbench focuses on three core AI capabilities: agents, algorithms, and data. These components work together to help ensure we deliver leading AI solutions. Agents act as digital teammates focused on specific tasks. Algorithms provide the reasoning that adapts to context. Data anchors outputs in accuracy, compliance, and relevance. Developed in collaboration with Microsoft, KPMG Workbench empowers KPMG professionals with the support of trusted, intelligent AI agents to accelerate innovation for clients and complement human expertise. Built on top of Microsoft's AI Foundry, Workbench provides interoperability and agent-to-agent communication across our ecosystem of technology solutions. Interoperability supports multi-model strategies and cross-tool orchestration, allowing teams to select the right model and agent for each task, while maintaining centralized governance. At the heart of KPMG Workbench is a network of 50 AI agents and chatbots with nearly 1,000 in development. These agents work alongside KPMG professionals, providing faster, high-quality digital solutions across multiple sectors. The core platform is designed to be a global, scalable development platform, providing detailed and specialized AI solutions. Global consistency reduces duplication of effort, shortens time to value, and enables reuse of proven solutions across member firms. And with Workbench's AI design system, developed in collaboration with IDEO, teams benefit from intuitive, human-centric, and consistent experiences across tools. This shared design language streamlines usability, accessibility, and adoption for 275,000 professionals worldwide, enabling them to engage efficiently with AI and focus on outcomes rather than navigating fragmented interfaces. Trust is built in from the start with KPMG Trusted AI Principles, helping to ensure that our AI solutions are reliable and secure. So why Workbench? Workbench empowers our teams, reduces costs, builds greater trust, and pools resources effectively. By consolidating shared services and governance, Workbench helps improve productivity, reduce compute and licensing spend, and drive consistent risk management across the network. Imagine bringing this same level of innovation to your organization. Whether you're in healthcare, legal, retail, or financial services, Workbench's multi-agent AI solutions can automate your most document-heavy tasks, freeing your teams to focus on what matters most, while ensuring quality and compliance at every step. Now, let's see KPMG Workbench in action by taking a look at one of our multi-agent solutions, Casecraft.
Casecraft demonstrates agent orchestration on a familiar task. It is designed to create reusable, brand-aligned case studies from real engagement artifacts, all while ensuring consistent style and tone. The desired outcome is a case study that reads consistently across regions and practices, ready for use in pursuits and knowledge libraries. Creating case studies has previously been time-consuming, with inconsistent formats and data silos reducing reusability. Teams spent cycles chasing inputs and normalizing content. Casecraft streamlines that workflow into a guided, auditable process. So what can Casecraft actually do? It assembles inputs, applies structure, aligns to brand, and routes the draft for review and approval, reducing manual effort and cycle time. Casecraft is an AI-powered storytelling assistant. It focuses on clear problem solution outcome narratives, emphasizing client impact and measurable results where available. It's designed to create, find, and elevate KPMG's most compelling client delivery stories. Search spans approved repositories to surface relevant examples, enabling faster drafting and more consistent messaging. The result is a growing searchable library of case studies that teams can adapt responsibly for new pursuits. Here's how it works. First, you initiate by uploading files. Then AI generates a structured, brand-aligned case study. Next, agents polish the tone, visuals, and compliance. Finally, you review and approve the output before sharing the content across the organization. Accepted inputs include transcripts, statements of work, engagement letters, project charters, and final reports. The workflow guides users to fill gaps before drafting begins. Our agentic intelligence at work. Each agent is a specialist, and together they form a creative team that never sleeps. Key roles include researcher, writer, branding, tone, editor, reviewer, and approval agents, all coordinated by Workbench orchestration to maintain context. Let's see this agentic orchestration in action as Workbench sequences agent tasks, passes context, and can utilize guardrails such as data handling and brand controls. Here, we have an example of a Teams conversation between Jane and Marty, discussing their response to a client challenge. The conversation transcript becomes the seed document, preserving voice of the customer while grounding the case study in real engagement insights. Marty launches Casecraft and selects the option to create a new case study. He gives the case study a title and then uploads the transcript of his conversation into Casecraft. Our creative agents then get to work. Metadata, such as client sector, geography, and service area, is extracted automatically to improve search and reuse later. As Casecraft gets to work, it checks the input file for 9 categories, like client name, challenges, and responses. Once confirmed, it begins drafting and also gives us the option to edit the text as it generates. Users can accept, edit, or add missing details with prompts that highlight gaps across all input categories before moving forward. Now let's take a look at what's happening behind the scenes, where we have 3 agents, a reviewer, a business researcher, and editor, all being managed by the orchestrator agent. Orchestration maintains a shared context, so subsequent agents can enrich the draft without reprocessing the entire input set. The reviewer agent drafts the narrative of the case study, interrogating information from the business researcher agent, which collects relevant data and resources for the case study by searching the internet and combining this with project information, while the editor agent reviews and helps refine the text for coherence, accuracy, and alignment with KPMG standards. These checks cover voice, terminology, visual elements, and required statements, aiming to reduce downstream edits and bring drafts closer to publication quality. And finally, the orchestrator agent confirms that it's happy with the case study and presents it on screen to the user. We now have a beautifully crafted client delivery story, aligned with our brand and consistent in length and tone. The case study can be published to approved libraries for discovery and reuse, with taxonomy tags to improve searchability across regions and sectors. Workbench brings together advanced AI agents with the insight, judgment, and industry expertise of our people to help deliver smarter digital solutions faster. It enables governed, secure deployments, supports data sovereignty, and scales a growing network of agents. Clients are already seeing results, strengthening fraud prevention in banking, improving compliance in telecom, and boosting productivity in retail, all reinforced by ISO-aligned controls and KPMG's trusted AI framework.
You can transform at scale with AI. You can with KPMG.